Hello, my viewers. We are live in Umuaka, Imo State, with another Bioflex 5.0 biogas system. You can see our scrubber here. This is our scrubber unit, filtering the biogas before it enters the storage bag. Here is the generator that we are going to connect to the storage bag so that we can use the biogas to run generator and as well cook in the kitchen. This system is installed for sewage. It has been installed for toilet waste to flow inside the biodigester and produce cooking gas. Okay, so here is a 5 cubic meter biogas storage bag, and from here we have piped the gas straight to the kitchen. Okay, you can see the generator by the corner here. So this is a private home in Imo State, Umuaka to be precise. So this is the biodigester, Bioflex 5.0 biodigester. As you can see, it's installed inside a trench to be able to receive human waste from the toilet chambers. So when the human waste enters into the biodigester, the microorganisms inside the biodigester will process it and produce gas and biofertilizer. The biofertilizer is a liquid rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. So that liquid is now channeled into this small pit next to the biodigester. Okay, so from there the excess will flow into the ground. So as a result of this biodigester doesn't ever get filled up. So we have another inlet here where you can feed other kitchen waste, other organic waste as well, from your animals or from your kitchen. So here is the outlet of the biofertilizer. So from here it flows into the collection pit. When the collection pit is overfilled, the excess will flow into the ground through a suck pit. So here is the gas line that takes the gas out of the biodigester straight to the garage where we have the storage bag. Then from the storage bag is connected to the generator and the kitchen. So here is the the second inlet apart from the sewage inlet. So once you open that cover there, you can feed any organic waste that you have, be it animal waste, food waste, fruit waste, any other thing. So the sewage has its own inlet. Okay, apart from this inlet you are seeing here, this is the second inlet for other organic waste to be fed into the biodigester. So from here we are going to be proceeding to the